Can I call you Rose?
Guys, welcome back for another day. Today is September 20, Friday, and we don't have class today. And ikalit og ingon na mga tumiog Davao City tomorrow. Remembered something. The place that we'll be staying tomorrow has a pool, and there's a possibility that maybe if we could come home na more open pa ilang pool area, then maybe we could night swim. Yeah, let's go find that. If I don't actually find swimwear, then wala tayo choice until ko but to wear a two-piece. Pero dili na ko bet mag two-piece. Okay, so 4:02 and I'm already dressed. My face is wet because I just got done setting my face, setting spray. Yeah, that's the fit. My bangle. Lola just gave this to me. This earrings, as well as this. Kani isa piercinganan. Wala ako nagitanggal because wala. It's still not yet healed. Katop ng July na ako gipabusutan. And then for my ring is kang mama. I don't want to fix my hair because I already look good. Charot. Relax. Let's prepare our footwear. Sasad-sabti na. Magtingil ta dito. I have things to do. Wait, no. I don't have. I just have to study. And that's a lot for me, so. Yeah. The essentials. There's my cross, my wooden cross, and then my tulakanin. Yeah. Okay. The final fit. I decided not to wear shoes because, well, I'm not on the mood with shoes. So we're gonna wear my hair mask. So brought some extra sleepers on the car already, as well as our bag. And then I'm gonna bring the whole gang with me. Hun, baby on the land, and then my blanket on the car, and then my aquasas. Let's go! My bag.
Can I call you Rose? 'Cause you're sweet.
Okay, so we are at our first stop. We're at McDo. And we're also in San Francisco. So, bali, stop ni San Francisco. McDo. San Francisco? Is it San Francisco? Yeah. Layo-layo pa mong mong biyahe. And then, madugay may actually, madugay may if trip mapay mag-eat. So, why not eat it? No, because we already went to Davao de Oro last week, I think. We're gonna go back. So this time we're gonna go to the city. Here we. I think that's our order now. Is that our order?
Yeah. So, thank you.
Thank you. How much for fries? Okay, let's go.
Like a flower.
And now we are at our second stop, Hillsview. I just stayed in the car because nagkaon naman mi sa McDo. And sila, I think, pa sila nabusog.
Can I call you Rose? 'Cause your fragrance takes over the room. Darling, I wanna
This is our other stop at the Arms store. We're now in Davao.
A few inches later.
We are lost. Davao. Sa Davao rin may mawala do. Kung palaban dyan may Google Map or Waze. Because we always get lost. I need I need bathroom break. Ako ito as in our.
so loud.
gonna be staying here later. We're inside now. Thing in SNR is you can't go in if you don't have a membership card. That's why when you go to SNR, I mean, di man naman may problema because yearly man naman may SNR. So, I think yearly po siya ma-expire. Yan, na-chika na nako nito last na ko vlog. Katong yan, SNR sa Cagayan. So, we are in SNR Davao. At the vitamin area. I think we're also just going to eat our lunch here because it's already 12. Tamay na siya. Dili ka siya nga nakadako. Look ma, it's cranberry. We'll be eating first. I don't know if you guys can hear me. But we'll be eating first before me maglaro-laro kay Tagalo lang. Apiki na ang oras. Alas 12 na din ay medyo gutom na. So, it's a big lunch. And then, I decided I will maglaro-laro and find the goodies inside SNR. We are done eating. We're not eating, we're just taking dessert. I am. It's not. Cookies and cream, obviously. Looks like the nasa Cagayan bitaw. The cereals. Ilang cereals? Ooh! I see cereals na wala sa Butuan. I feel like my inner child is happy. We're looking for the other katong ice cream. I think we're also gonna buy steak. Oh, here, Ben and Jerry's. Here. Uy, lamig ba nito? That one, the ice cream, it reminds me of Suno. Yeah, we're gonna buy steaks though. Your mama said we're gonna buy steaks. 6.51. Okay. Look, Bon. This used to be my childhood. Though, ako katry ani, pero ganang every mga YouTubers. Pag ganang Christmas or something. Hala, Pop-Tarts! Ah, that thing tastes bad. I've been ako excited mo palit anang sauna and that thing tastes disgusting. Fruit roll-ups. Nyabot ng ice cream. Kakonta to. No ice cream. Gushers. Have you heard of Gushers? Lamay po doon na.
That's hard, bro.
Gushers and the Star Pats.
Oh, this one.
Oh, no, this is so pretty.
Look at that
Upside
one.
down.
There's like a bottle in the
Sa ganitong panahon bago pa ka malibutan na Nalinaw na bang gusto ko sa'yo ka lang Pagkat iyaw
Makakita ko may ngani oh. Inani sa kanang mga arbor kinami bartenders.
That's normal.
Oh, tequila rose sila injelengan nito. Oh.
Hey, I said look at.
Wala to sila katong earth. Lami biya tong earth na kwando. Ang gummy. I don't eat gummies pero kato kay lami siya. Excited pa ka?
Oh, di ba mo nagkukunat sa
Ano may? Boom. Oh, melon.
Can I call you Rose? 'Cause your thorns won't let
We are packing our groceries. Uy. No.
love into soon. Can I call you?
Nara yang yan ang Davao kalayo.
Can I call you Rose?
A few moments later.
Cause your roots have the power to consume me. I wanna plant you in my heart.
You have a microwave. Mana tanando? Now we have ice. The bathroom. Sugod-sugod na nila ang house. Shower. Dre may magda. This is the. What is this? Ah, okay. So, laundry area. Kasli, oy. The dining. Big mirror. Another mirror. Room. Then another bed. Then the most, how do you open this? How are you supposed to open this if you can't open it? Ay, subo ng tao na yan. Tada! See the whole world. Saan na school? Okay, we'll be going down now because we're gonna eat dinner.
We're at the elevator.
Oh, we're here? Ano to? Let's go. We are now at Abriza. Ko kalimot. When we went here, it was very early. Now we have to wait outside for the mall to really open. This is Robinsons. So we have to wait until it will really open. And then, Lola have to go to the bathroom. And dili na siya kahulat. Dili na siya kahulat si Lola. Pag open literally sa mall, or murag ipasulod mi sa mall, or murag nag-what yun mi. Oh yeah, we were waiting here. Ikaw kalimot, kami mga bata kay natin, murag mga stage bitaw, kaya murag dog show ato. Pag open sa mall, diretso si Lola, dagan-dagan siya. It's already Christmas here. The Robinsons. Normal na Robinsons. Anyways, we're gonna be waiting for Tite now because they're coming here. They're already in Davao. Actually, nag-text na to siya. Here to eat dinner. Yaki mix. Wow. Now this is what you call. Oy. 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 Parang I want shrimp. Oh. Yeah. You want? Halo-halo? The birthday girl. Oh, look! There, look! Gummies! Fruit! Wow! Kung nalibog mo ako po, nalibog ko na naadali tinamili. Diyos ko ba naman? Sushi? Oh no, it's not. Oh, there, sushi. An appetit! So, we're still eating. Actually, nagluto pa ako. My chicken and my pork are still cooking. And I'm eating my shrimp. Wala na yung rice. Kay wala kapoy na balik. I have a lot of leftovers. Oh no! My God! Uy, nanay ko yun! May mo. Parang nasa ako sa heaven, tea. To the Inbox Studios. May nag-on kayo, nagdali-dali may, padali-dali may te. But yeah, we took photos. YS Elliot. We're still in Abriza and we are finding the katong yogurt bito. Dili na ako inangkablo ko sa ngalan. Pero dili na ako i-pronounce kaya basin mamali. So, kabasa ka na. You know na, the famous yogurt thingy. We're gonna try kayo pagkat kaya to. Whoa, fully booked. Oh my God! Before nabuang ko sa mga K-pop, hindi ako sa fully booked. Joe Malone mo, oh. Levi's, Champion, Aldo, and Charles and Keith.
Won't you stay
Bukas, Bon. walk to Rojas. Busog pa kayo ko sa among gikaon. In Rojas, it's a setaw kaning more siya linya na puno og na section ng murag food. The other section is mga ukay, mga thrift. Go in there para mohilis ko na among gipangkaon kay murag bugat-bugat ko ang among gipangkaon ya. That was worth it. Ateneo. Her ga daw, oh. Dito kate. Ano, back lang. From Ateneo to BDC real quick. Paano siya? Karon pa na ako ni siya. Kaya namin nag-uban pero karon pa ni siya na-appeal sa akong vlog. Hi.
Isa day ko.
Abre, loyot kay basin kuan ba? Hala, tanghulo.
Ba?
Ano pa di matagap pa?
Thank you, Chad. Ako sa Maya Vacation for now.
Oo naman kasi man.
Talaga. Huwag kang assuming kasi.
Diyot ka pangit na uy. Ako dyan, vlogger
Masarap. Ay, ano sa rice? My God. Corn dogs.
Can I call you Rose?
Ano, puro sinalinya ni sila. Food padulong sa tumoy. And then sa pinaka-tumoy na na-exit, tabuk na po ka for sila ukay-ukayan. Magpaparo si Lula eh. So rich pool ko daw siya.
Tingnan ko. What had enough?
No, I'm not gonna kayo. I'm still full. Madlo ko magsigaon.
Plus, kuha pa.
Si Hydro Plus, uy. Tricks daw, tricks.
That's suspicious.
We're now at the ukay section.
Cause you're sweet like a flower in bloom. Can I call you Rose? Cause you're fresh.
Back in our condo. And now with other crew. Here with Titi now. We got home very late and we were not able to kami nakapa sa pool. Ang pool nila 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. rataman and then nakauli mi. Naman mi kaunog dinner 9, mga 8:56, 7. And then biyahe pa padulong sa Rojas. Pila ka minutes. And then pag 11, kami nakauli na dun today. Ito na, right now. 28. 11:28. Elevator.
Nakita namin siya dyan pagawa si Gabber. Dyan pagawa si mo, kaya nakadina dila.
Look, ta-da! Hey guys, it is the next day. It is the next day. It's 5, actually 6 na. 6 na. We slept very late. Okay, we got home, like I said, very late. 11:28, kami nakauli. Alam mo, we have to prepare other things pa. So, alas 12han, until pa nakato. So, yeah. Upat tulura ka oras akong natulog. I don't wanna go to sleep again. Mantilay na yung buong sa ko. Ulak kong tuog. Sayo pa akong mataog. I can't believe it's actually my last day here in Davao. Davao has a very special. I really love Davao. It feels like home. Feeling na ko belong ko dari. Uy. Now what is that actually? Consulate Central of the Republic of Indonesia? Basta at bang nanamo. Stay tuned for the update. It's the sleepwear flip. Be checking out. Bye bye condo.
Fragrance takes over the room. Darling, I wanna plant you in my heart. Oh, so let it grow. Can I call you Rose? 'Cause your thorns won't let love in too soon.
We are now at Victoria. And this is a very old mall here in Davao. This is the fit. The jet lag is hitting me right now. I don't know what to do. I just want to sleep.
Can I call you Rose?
We are in Upside Down House. What is this? House Museum Davao City.
This bed.
Picture ko man nag-vlog pa.
'Cause your roots have the power to consume me. I wanna plant you in my heart. Oh, so let
The chichirias are upside down.
it grow.
And also their paintings.
I was meditating on love, you, roses. The universe told me, put it in a love song.
Ang inyong tour guide, ako ang mag-take ng picture sa inyong hand. Doctor nga. Okay, so ma'am, okay lang ba inyong mga bag dito lang banda under the okay, tapos mag-igan na ako ang official cover picture. So, isa ko po dito. And ang polymaker.
We are now in the third room. Actually, in a one room, dagan siya ka ng work side. For example, and then the other part, ayuhanan bitag car. May car sa taas, na nakababling pa siya yun. Ay, more pang ayuhanan diha. And then the part that we're in is kanang worship sa cafe. Night chair, table, mga shelf. Yeah, dun sa isa ka room, dagan siya sides. Depende siya. You guys can see. Pero yeah, this is the behind the scenes. This is the last one before we will go in this room. So I'm gonna show it to you guys while they are busy pa. So in this room, mag-stairs siya. Kanang sa house bitaw. And this part is, the bedroom na naay. Ay, Diyos ko ba naman. Other room, the last room kina na may door is kani, purag playroom sa kids. I don't know, mura siya kanang dapit sa door bitaw. And then bathroom, laundry. Ano na ito? Natin. Gabi lang details diri as in.
Sanding ka, kasi wala ka sa picture mo.
We're at the last room.
Okay lang, okay lang. Ate, sige. And then, okay, look here, tay-tay. Tanawa na rin ang camera muna. And then smile, 1, 2, 3, and then pose. Okay. Okay, hindi na lang ako na ibang girl. So, quality. Okay, dali ba na? Yes, tayo ba ang dares na mag-ilig na? Or, okay, like, ang pag-lay down. Dali ba down, kick, tapos head here, and then, look at the ceiling po, so nakahayang, okay? Okay. Okay, sa left, ma'am. Okay. Okay, yung mga handbag na natin ng car, taas. Nakapandas for kayo. Legs up, isa ka ang duha leg. Count ako. Tanawa ang kamera, look up. Yan, okay, as here. And then, right na kabuksa, right na kaliyat, and then, so yan, tingin ha. Okay, lower na rin kita, lower. Hindi kita, ano siya, okay? Grab din lang kayo, ma'am. Sumas ko na siya. Okay, right, left. Ana siya, okay? Sige, sabay mo kang right na kamot, snipe mo siya. Yeah, liyan. Akin ka. Yan ang isa ka. Ipamita mo kasi ko ka. Sige, liyan. Itaas mo ang other hand. Tanawin ka sa legs. Balik. Yan, sige, go ahead. Okay, the last here. Okay, ba? Sige, go ahead, ma'am. Sige po. Go ahead, ma'am. Okay, sige. Itaas mo ang left and the last gear na lang. Tanawang kamera muna ha. 1, 2, 3, smile. Kabila, ma'am. Ay, liyan. Baliyan lang, ano. Liyan. Yan. Okay, hanggang sa taas. And then look up. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay na. Salamat.